So we know that strings in C is null terminated. So if we want to iterate over the string, we can just take a pointer to the start of the string, and then just check for the null terminator, right? So just check if s is 0, and then if not, iterate the s. And then let's say we just want to print s, or print each character, right? So if we do that, it's fine. Hello world. But what if we want to print it? We want to reverse print it. So from D to H, right? Not hello world, but the reverse of hello world. Well, here we already have the pointer to the start. We'll just compare the, well, we will take a pointer to the end and then compare that to the pointer to the start. Why? Because, well, we know that if we print this, if we print start here, it's just a hex number, right? It's a memory location represented in hex. And so we can actually use it and compare it to another pointer. So let's say we have char n plus third s minus 1, right? And then the n here will point to d, right? I need to include string h. Okay. And then we can compare while start end, and then n minus minus, right? We want it to be equal to start because we want to print h, right? But once we have like iterated through the whole string in reverse, we want to stop at h, right? So if we do this, it works, right? As you can see, it stops at the h. You can see the percent sign. And yeah, what this does, if we print them, I guess, print f, %p, I guess let's do start, and then start, and we can see what is actually happening here. So it's just two numbers, we're just comparing them, and once end is equal to start, or once it's lower than start, it's gonna stop, right? So yeah, and you know, that's the same thing with arrays, right? Since arrays are not really null terminated because 0 is a number, you can also take a pointer to the start and 1 to the end, and then compare until start is over the end. We're gonna keep iterating, right? So yeah, hope that helps, and see you later.